Breezy HR is a popular productivity and time management tool that many businesses are considering, but there are a few things you need to know before buying. If you're looking for the right fit for your company, stay tuned, because we'll break it down for you and compare it to some of its competitors. First, Breezy HR is all about simplifying the hiring process. It offers features like job posting, resume management, and applicant tracking, which streamline recruitment. Compared to other tools like Workable, Breezy HR stands out with its intuitive interface that makes it easy to use for teams with varying levels of technical skills. Next thing you need to know is its pricing model. While Breezy HR is relatively affordable for small businesses, its pricing can quickly scale up as you add more users or require advanced features. Some competitors, like Bamboo HR, offer more robust features at a similar price point, but don't focus as much on the hiring side of things. The third thing is its integration with other tools. Breezy HR does a good job connecting with software like Google Workspace, Slack, and job boards. But when compared to others, like Gusto, you may find that Breezy HR's integrations aren't as wide reaching, especially when it comes to payroll or benefits management. The fourth thing is the candidate experience. Breezy HR offers a smooth candidate application process, but it doesn't have the custom branding options that tools like Greenhouse offer. So, if brand customization is a top priority, you may want to look elsewhere. Now, let's talk about the hiring pipeline. Breezy HR allows you to create custom pipelines for your hiring process, making it easy to track candidates at every stage. However, when compared to tools like Lever, its pipeline customization options are a bit more limited. Another thing to keep in mind is the support. Breezy HR provides live chat, email support, and a knowledge base. But if you need more hands-on, personalized support, you might find competitors like Workday offering more in-depth customer service options. Next, Breezy HR also includes automated email reminders, which is a nice touch to keep your hiring process on track. However, some competitors like Zoho People offer even more advanced automation options, like reminders for performance reviews or training sessions. The platform does come with an applicant sourcing feature, which is a bonus. You can post jobs across multiple platforms directly from Breezy HR, but other tools like Smart Recruiters have this feature plus enhanced targeting capabilities for job ads. Breezy HR's reporting and analytics are solid for small teams, but if you're looking for deep insights into things like employee performance or engagement, you might want to consider alternatives like Rippling, which offers a wider range of business analytics. Now, a big plus for Breezy HR is its mobile app, which lets you manage everything from your phone. But if you're using a tool like Bullhorn, their mobile app might be a bit more feature-rich, particularly for teams on the go. Next thing to know is that Breezy HR is designed with scalability in mind. It works well for small to mid-sized businesses, but as your company grows, you might hit some limitations with things like advanced custom workflows or enterprise-level integrations that platforms like ICMS provide. Another point is that Breezy HR excels when it comes to simplicity. Unlike competitors that might overwhelm you with features, Breezy HR keeps things straightforward. If you're looking for something user-friendly, Breezy HR is an excellent choice for smaller businesses with fewer complexities in their hiring process. Finally, Breezy HR offers a free trial, allowing you to test it out and see if it meets your needs. However, after the trial, some businesses find that other platforms with more specialized features, like ADP Workforce Now, are a better fit for their growing needs. To sum up, Breezy HR is a great option if you're looking for a simple, affordable solution for managing your hiring process. It's user-friendly and scalable for smaller teams, but if you want a more comprehensive tool with greater customization and deeper analytics, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.